I'll just Google it. Where's the first place you go to do research for an assignment? Google? Some students say because it has the most information on their topic, or it's easy, convenient. But I'm going to ask, is that really what you want? You want the most there is on your topic? Let's take a look at a Google search for global warming. How many hits do you get? Over 78 million hits. Do you have time to search through that many? There is a way to research your topic with the same ease and convenience as Google, but with more manageable hits. Your school library has invested in a collection of online materials. You don't even have to physically go to the library. Here's how it works. Libraries purchase databases or collections of articles for their students to access. Some popular databases are EBSCOhost and ProQuest. You search these databases the same way you would a Google search, with keywords. Let's use global warming in an EBSCOhost search. Now we have 131,000 hits. Still not very manageable. How can I make this number more workable? I need to reevaluate how I'm searching. I want to talk for a minute about the type of source you are really looking for. Typically, students want periodicals, journal articles by experts in the field of study they are researching. What's a periodical? There is a clue in its name. It is published periodically. What kind of texts do you know about are published periodically rather than once like a book? So newspapers and magazines are periodicals. Journals are also periodicals. They are articles about topics, but written by experts and then published periodically. When these experts write for journals, they are often peer-reviewed, but what does that mean? Other scholars check to make sure the article is accurate, interesting, well-written, etc. We can actually check a box that will limit our search to peer-reviewed articles. So I'll get the best scholarly articles in my search right off the bat. How many hits do we get when we change our search to peer-reviewed articles? Now we're down to 25,000. However, while we're checking boxes, let's give ourselves a little bit of a reality check and see if we can't make that 25,000 smaller. It's not likely that you're going to go to the library to pull your sources, right? Let's just go ahead and make it easy on yourself and check that you only want full-text articles, those that you can access right online, the whole article ready to download or print. There is one last thing we can do to narrow the types of sources we get. We can play with time a little by establishing that we really only want recent articles in our search, say from the year 2000 and on. So now we've moved from 78 million random sources to 8,000 scholarly articles. I don't know. I'm still not convinced I have that kind of time. There's got to be something we can do to make this work more manageable. The term global warming is actually too general, too broad for the paper I'm doing, which is an argument on an issue. The search itself can lead me down the wrong path. My paper is supposed to be about something I feel strongly about, so I can argue a claim. I'm thinking about keeping my topic connected to global warming, but more about something that affects me every day, such as reusable bags. You see, I have a problem. When I go to the store, I forget my reusable bags in my car. I end up going to the store and using plastic bags when I don't need to. How many of you have done the same thing? How can we change consumer behavior so we remember our reusable bags? And why would we even want to eliminate plastic bags in the first place? All this can be part of my new search. While I can approach this topic from several different avenues, let's just take plastic bags as a search in the database just to compare the numbers to our global warming search. There. Now we have 225 peer-reviewed recent full-text articles. That's something I can write about, and now something I can manage reading about as well. So remember, Google is not always the best one-stop shop for sources. Check out your library databases online for scholarly, up-to-date material on your topic.